Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the ceiling or roof access and finding the existing stack. This is critical because vents must rise unobstructed. Once located, make a measured cut where the vent will tie in, use a level and mark the pipe. Remove any insulation and brace the pipe so it won't shift while you work. You're doing this first to create a stable, code-compliant junction. Make sure to wear eye protection and follow safe cutting technique as you proceed. Now you execute the tie-in, cut the host pipe cleanly and deburr the edge so fittings seat properly. Dry fit every coupling and flash collar to confirm alignment. You want minimal stress on joints. If you must run a short horizontal section, keep a 1/4 inch per foot slope back toward the drain to prevent traps from siphoning. Once satisfied, primer the surfaces, apply solvent cement, and join parts firmly. Hold for the specified finish by extending the vent through the roof and installing a proper flashing and cap. This prevents water entry while allowing airflow. Make sure the terminal is 6 to 12 inches above roof line or per your code, and seal the penetration tightly. After curing, test the system with a smoke machine or water trap tests to confirm venting and absence of leaks. If you hear gurgling or see backflow, recheck slope and joint seals. Tighten or recement problem joints as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.